Work speaks for itself. There it is. The Supreme Clean. TERRAINE.com. You remember what it looked like before. Look at the ridge cap now. Look at these ridge caps. Universal. Look, it looks like that. That's the original one. And look at this one here, all cleaned up. We're gonna do some before and after photos here. After I come down, now we're gonna go up top. Remember what it looked like over here, right? This is why you wanna visit TERRAINE.com. Get the Supreme Clean. I'm gonna go up top here. You see this here, some of it's still drying a little bit. Had to rinse down some of the debris and stuff that came from up top and end up going over the rail and getting down here on our clean roof that we just cleaned. And as we're looking up top here, you remember before, you see all the algae, the lichen, right? Had some moss there. But now if you look at it, some areas are still drying. But it's uniform now. And that's how that's how a roof should be when you're cleaning the roof. I'm gonna take some photos now. We're walking up to the top here, get it from this angle. Here's that ridge cap, what it looked like. There's that side. Now look at this side over here. See? And look all the way down that ridge cap. There it is. Nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at this ridge cap right here too. And we'll get our photos. Remember, we also did that one down there. That one's freshly all cleaned up as well. So there you have it for the Supreme Clean. You know our slogan, 916-549-5255. Make that phone number ring. If you're in the Sacramento region area, I'd love to come out and assist you. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.